Welcome back to a new video. So if today is your first time of watching my videos or visiting my channel, please click on the red subscribe button to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that each day that I upload a new video you will be notified. Okay, thank you for doing that. So in this video today, I'll be showing you how I make my Zobo drink. Okay, Zobo drink is a nice drink that is good that you have it in your fridge in case if you're tired or you have visitors. Instead of going to get maybe Coca-Cola, Pepsi or any other drink, you can just serve your visitors or guests with your Zobo drink. Okay, so I'm making it today for me, but I just decided to video it out so that we all can benefit. Okay guys, because you know that I love you, my subscribers. Yes, I do love you guys. So in your Zobo making, what you need is your pot, which is this is my pot. Okay guys, you get a bigger pot compared to the ingredients that you are going to be using, because as you're boiling it will be rising, so you need a bigger pot for that. So you need also the Zobo leaves, because this is the Zobo leaves. Why it's looking like this is because I've washed everything. So you have to wash it, because you have to wash the Zobo leaves because of dust or any dirt. Okay guys, so the second ingredient I have is pineapple peel. Okay, you're not going to use the whole pineapple or the pineapple, you're going to use the pineapple peels. So this is the pineapple peel. You wash it very well and then you slice it into pieces. Okay guys, so because beetroot looks almost to the Zobo leaves, so I decided to add beetroot to it, because in rare cases people don't use beetroot. In short, I've never seen anybody using beetroot, but I included beetroot because beetroot is very healthy, and then the color looks like that of Zobo, so it's going to work hand in hand. Okay guys, the last thing I get is fresh ginger. So you can grate your ginger, you can blend it, you can slice it like this. So I choose to slice it, and this is what I have. Okay, so what you'll be doing now is you're going to place your pot on a running fire. You add water, like up to this level. It depends on the quantity you want to, but let the water not get to the top. God, I didn't try this or what? So this is what we have as our Zobo drink. This Zobo drink is ready to be drunk, and it's healthy, it's very refreshing. You can drop some ice cubes inside to make it cold for you to enjoy it when you're drinking it, right? So this is the end of today's video. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.